Let's talk about Black Friday, the new Canadian holiday. Do you remember, John, back in the day, it was Boxing Day. We didn't really, as Canadians, participate in Black Friday.
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
I used to drive down to Portland.
No.
I did.
Are you kidding me?
No tax.
Yeah.
Crazy sales.
Okay.
I would line up at Fry's.
Yes.
And it was amazing.
Well, now Black Friday is part of the Canadian landscape. And to help us, I guess, weed through some tips and tricks on finding the best deals, we've got a guest on from Flipp, a great app for navigating all the good deals and flyers that are out there from all the retailers. His name is Michael Silverman. Thanks for joining us, Michael.
Thank you, gents, for having me. Appreciate it.
So just to educate our listeners who might not know what Flipp is, can you give us a brief intro on it?
Sure. So we have a pretty simple, straightforward mission. We are trying to help our shoppers live life more affordably by connecting them with local savings and deal content. And the goal is really to build an experience that helps you save time and money on your regular shopping experiences. So we help people plan their weekly shopping trip, keep them from having to shuffle through all those different papers. And we actually help our shoppers save probably about an average of like $45 a week. And pretty simple, straightforward to download. Go to your app store, type in Flipp, F-L-I-P-P. That's the critical component of it. Easy to get going. Download it, type in your zip code or your postal code in Canada, and you're ready to go.
What I love about Flipp is that you... Sorry, just a moment. The joys of the home studio. Jeez. Okay, I'll just pick it up here.
Okay.
Let's close the door. Okay. I think one thing I love about Flipp is that you guys have all the flyers. Like I used to love getting all the local newspapers with the flyers in them, but now they're about like 100 kilograms each. And I feel bad for taking down an entire forest every time I get them.
Well, my favorite feature of Flipp, though, is if I'm looking to buy anything, I just use their search engine.
Yeah. So if you wanted to buy a new Epson printer, you just type the model number in and it goes through all of them.
Yeah. And it shows you where it's on sale, either in store or online.
So, Michael, let's talk about Black Friday. This is obviously a huge shopping day, especially as we get into the holiday season. Do you have any tips for our listeners?
Sure. I mean, it's a real pain to try and monitor all the things that are going on, all the different sales. And I know that people have particular intent to find something amazing to buy. So we just released a new feature on the app called Watch List. And what we're trying to do is remove all the guesswork from the experience. So what we're doing as a result is you type in the items that you just nicely mentioned, like an Epson printer that you're trying to keep track of, and we will then subsequently notify you when that item goes on sale. So removes all the heavy lifting, if you will. Like I think you mentioned the Epson printer, but for instance, I'm looking for an Amazon Echo. I'm actually moving to a new home, so smart bulbs. I wanted to outfit my whole house, and there's actually going to be some really amazing deals that I'm privy to that are happening on those items. So I've already gotten some notifications from the watch list, but I'm going to keep my eye on some of the in-store deals that are popping up later on this season.
And I guess Black Friday, even more so this year than any other year, it's not just one day. It's like practically the entire month, if not right until Christmas. Like there's this constant barrage of deals under the Black Friday banner, I guess. Yeah,
I think you nailed it. It used to be really Black Friday or Cyber Monday. And as a result, it's really sort of expanded into holiday shopping season. So it's not really limited to one day anymore. It's really more of a full season. And I think that whereas even Cyber Monday became Cyber Week, now you see things as early as actually sort of like the end of October popping up. We've had many retailers who have partnered with us and put content up as early as mid-October to start getting people into the store because they have inventory of some great stuff that they're trying to get off the shelves.
And I've also I've seen a few of those retailers kind of be a little cheeky about it too. It's like, come buy it now because we've got price protection until Christmas. So if it does go on sale cheaper, but they'll also say, well, it's not going to be any cheaper on Black Friday, so you might as well buy it now.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, it's win-win.
Yeah, and they're both covering through Flipp. Actually, they're covering both online deals and in-store deals. So you get access to all the savings that you need.
Michael, from my understanding, you can download the Flipp app to the various platforms, whether you're on Android or iPhone, but available through your website as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a website, app.flipp.com, where you can download those apps, or we have a desktop version of our app where you can use the exact same functionality, build shopping lists, build a watch list, have the ability to peruse all the content, or even do search.
We're talking with Michael Silverman. He is a man over at Flipp, a fantastic app if you are looking for basically anything to buy. It aggregates, all the different types of products, not just electronics, but car tires, home hardware, like everything.
Groceries, whatever.
Yeah. It's something I've used for, a few years now. And especially as I get into the holiday season or some of these, shopping event times, a must-have app on any smartphone or even on your desktop computer. Michael, I want to thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, gentlemen. Pleasure being here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube page. And that little bell icon, hit that and you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And comment. The more comments and the more likes and subscriptions we get, the more videos we can make.